Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Google Chrome browser. Whether you are using Android phone or you are using iPhone, consider to stay tuned to this video and see how to disable or stop website visit in Chrome from collecting your data on Chrome browser. Let me show you how. The very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up your Chrome browser. Next thing you need to do is to go ahead and click on these three dots from the top corner. So click on that. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on settings. Then scroll down right here. Continue to scroll down until you get to site settings. Click on that. The next thing you want to do is to go ahead and scroll down right here. Continue to scroll down. Continue to scroll down. Continue to scroll down until you get to background synchronize. So go ahead and click on that. Now you are here. So what you need to do right there is to go ahead and click on here. And with that, you can as well go ahead and click on add a site exception. If you want to accept some of the sites, go ahead and click on add a site exception, which simply means that any site exception you had right here, you can keep receiving and sending data about your browsing activities in the background. But if you do not have any exception right here, just go ahead and leave it in this. And with that, no website you visit in Chrome browser will be able to continue sending you unfinished data or receiving your data as far as this particular background synchronized data settings is concerned in Chrome browser. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial about how best to use Chrome browser, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.